You're signing an election and
you withdraw it to him.
You're signing an election. Where the election is going and I'm getting
Under gunpoint.
Community.
So this was a terrible thing and terrifying actually. Then these three were given a token. That's why I initially, at first I mentioned it. That you were told you get your 2 million and keep quiet. Other things, you would not see the money where it was put.
He signaled to him, he called him, and he had to escape. And that's why he's here today. He wants to cover. I have no problem with the relationship. But what they are doing is not good. It is not good. That's why you are seeing us almost, in this. So I want to ask you kindly, Honorable Minister, what is there on the ground is not good. People did not get the money. More than 70% of the money which you dispersed to this constituency did not reach the exact beneficiary.
With that of soy, according to the testimonies from there, I think he has taken almost 80%, 70%. Remember, some groups are testifying, they have withdrawn money, but they have even never seen a coin. He puts them at ransom. You must withdraw this money. He intimidates them. Remember, one even testified, he puts them at gunpoint at worst. And he has this group of people who keep on intimidating the SACCO members. So how are they supposed to survive?
Then we felt bad. And even up to today, we are not doing anything. We are now locked. And so, Honorable Minister, that you are here now today, we want you to prevail over this matter.
Across the prostitution side, the money is there. They took the money. Here, what they want to do is take money, take money, take money. That is all. We now have one message, that recovery of this money must start and from today. Our members of SOI, you are not with us. The commercial officer is already on interdiction on orders of the minister. And he cannot come to office until he has made substantive explanations or answers, whatever is wanted. This district, they see there's what Wanyankoro is called to fear the eyes. Someone will say, I told you of their protectionism. They want to say, this one. When you turn around, we are in a meeting right now. But if you move aside, they have other meetings and they do other things. They have issues and they think money is for eating. You talked up there about people looking for what to eat. They expect money every minute for eating. And that is what we have. When you find a commercial officer, Honorable Minister, a commercial officer infiltrating the bank, they also have interest. They share the money. Otherwise, there is no way one should go and give money from the bank when the signatories are not around. Right? Arresting commercial officer, I actually tricked him. He had disappeared for 4 months. Because of that industrial hub where we must sign, he went and signed somewhere and forwarded the papers where I should sign and sent someone to me. I told him I cannot sign without knowing how he got these names. I held the papers until he came. That's when I arrested him in my office. And you see, he's on the run. I've already sent people out. If they get him, whoever, we shall get him, and I promise you we shall get him. Unless he goes to Kenya, but we shall use Interpol. There is no way we shall sit down and say everything is now okay, let us know. I always tell them, say the truth. The truth saves. I am sure no one is going to arrest that woman because she was not party. Honorable Minister, you are coming here, you have really uncovered the scarecrow. Because now everybody knows who commercial officer is and his counterparts. I told you one who is up there, I told him he should come to my office immediately, make a statement.
Twagenze Kweni District Commercial twasanze nga commercial officer yali yasente zonna abantu we bali bamulumiriza ekyewunyisa nti ne kawa akimanyi ne RDC balwana kiro na misana bafuuka b'amaanyi bakawo bagundi ba commercial officer. So n'olwekyo mu bitundu ng'ebyo twataaga okukwatira wamu okulaba nti omulabe w'eggwanga lino omulabe wa wealth creation omuntu ngono commercial officer yetaaga okukwatibwa, yetaaga okubonerezebwa, ate yetaaga okulaba nti sente ezo ziyalya zisasulwa. So n'olwekyo kino tekisobola kukizuula ntutudde mu office. Tuteereddwa kutambula ne tuwuliriza abantu ate ne tugezaako okubayamba. Abantu okubawuliriza sente tekimala, n'ekyetaaga ozirondoola n'okuzigoberera okulaba nti zituukiriza ebyo ebyaziteesaawo. Tusanzemu SACCO ezigezezaako okukola obulungi, n'ezo ezitatambudde bulungi. Naye nja bakakasa nti tetuli leeti, budde tebunnaba tukwata. Tugenda kuddamu okukola okusinza ku bizibu bye tulabye, tugenda kwongeramu amaanyi, abo abatannaba kusasula balina okusasula. Ate tugenda kwongera okubaorganizinga bannaffe okulaba nti tubongera ssente endala basobole okuteeka mu mirimu gyabwe, kubanga buli mwaka tulina bongera miliyoni 220. Omulabe ennamba emu y'oyo akwata ssente za bannayuganda zetuweereza ez'emyoga, ye kubanga ye commercial officer, kubanga ye alowooza nti asinga ku bantu bali okutegeera, n'akwata ssente zo n'azirya. Bonna bonna tugenda kubajjayo, ate balina okusasula ssente zino kubanga adresi zaabwe tuziina era tubamanyi. N'olwekyo buli gwe tutegeera kaakati ng'eno esoyi kawunte, awo oyo ye kaakati alina ku misinde, ate tulina okumukwata. Era bwe tunaamukwata ssente ze alina okuzisasula kubanga evidence weeri. Baali bagezi nnyo bano abantu beyajjako ssente nti abamu bamuwandiisa, so balina obujulizi bw'amaanyi nnyo munomereza ssente yazitwala. Naye njala kunoonyeza ne ku banka eyo wali akawunti zino, lwaki emivuyo egyo gyakolebwa, ojja genda okukizuula nga ne banka eyo nayo yenyigiramu okuyamba ku commercial office okubba ssente zino ku akawunti z'abantu. So ekyo tugenda kukikola.
Education. I studied junior level for 3 years. I went for craft in Madeira Technical Institute. I know many things about clothes. I calculated for them the bill which they wanted within 30 million. Still up to now, I have kept that record. When we came to that house, they were teaching us. They started electing members that we want chairperson, we want vice, we want secretary, then we want treasurer and mobility. They elected me as a chairperson of Enyaga for tailoring. But to make worse, when we are there, this issue whereby you are in a meeting and you register that, you register like the way we have registered there. I thank God that one we have not put our name number. They carried my name up to Kweni District. I've never known where the office for the Kweni District, the door faces which side. I've never reached there. I've never reached even microfinance bank. But all and all from 2020, there is a woman from Kampala that is in charge of Myoga. After looking, what success have you got? What have your members benefited? What is the challenges in the what in the money of Enyoga? I returned to her, I told her, my friend, have not received that money. If other people use my name to go and get that money, follow them. After that again, the commercial officer came up to my home with the vice chairperson who united with them to get the money, and the treasurer. They are there. Even they don't know how to make teller. They don't know how to treadle even the machine. But before Corona came, had opened a technical institute called Ngenge Technical Institute. Corona came, I was training girls, even boys in tailoring, to catch up with this issue of poverty in this world. But Corona spoiled everything. I rented the house for 1 full year, but the thing was not open. They did not ease the lockdown. A moment I gave